So to start working with ManyChat and create your first bot, you need to go to their website on ManyChat.com. I'll have the link below. So you should just click Get Started Free over here, and you'll be on the registration. Since I'm already registered, I'll be logged on over here. I'll go with Facebook. So now you're going to the main panel here. I already have a couple of pages, but let's start with the basics. So first of all, add your panel here. So choose a page where you are an administrator on Facebook. I'll add Archiform over here and click Connect. So ManyChat is going to be adding it over here. It is currently on a free account, but you see it has added a page. So I'm going to tell you about the navigations over here. On the left you see a menu. As you see, you don't have any active subscribers here. In the audience, you can get all the information about your subscribers. Here you can see all the chats going on. In the growth tools, you can get more subscribers to your chat. Broadcasting is to have sendovers. Automation is for creating several dialogue scenarios. I will go in depth about this. In the content menu, you already have templates for messages here, so you can do all the scenarios quickly. And in the settings, you have, well, a bunch of settings for your own account. So this is how it looks like on some of my other projects. As you see, this is our Time Digital CRM page. I have 106 current subscribers, and I can check my audience over here. You can just click on them over there and start a chat with it and start talking with them. In the live chat, you can see all of the chats I have, and I can continue chatting there and send the guy a message over here. In the growth tools, I have several tools, so I can monitor conversions and clicks with it. So I can see the landing page conversions over here and get the analytics too. So we can also see what we have been posting and to whom. In the automation, we can see the letter chains and check them all out. In the next videos, I will be talking how to configure your chatbot and add more people to your business. Thank you.